Describe where on a graph the following are found. The x-intercepts are wherever y equals 0, the line crosses the x-axis, the y-intercepts are found wherever x equals 0 and the line crosses the y-axis, and the zeros are wherever you find x-intercepts. Or where the output equals 0. Got that? Pause it if you need more time. Find the intercepts of the function and graph. If x equals 0, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. If y equals 0, 0 equals x minus 1, add x to each side, x equals plus 1. Do you see how I did that? For the y-intercept, x equals 0, 0 minus 1 is negative 1. For the x-intercept, 0 equals x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides, 1 equals x. There is my line. I'm careful to give arrows to either end. 3x minus y equals 13. Can I graph it from this point? Can I find the zeros? No. The simplest way is to put it into slope-intercept form. 3x minus y equals 13. Add y to each side. That gives me 3x equals y plus 13. Now I subtract 13 from each side. Minus 13 equals minus 13. So now I have 3x minus 13 equals y. And that, of course, is the same as y equals 3x minus 13. If x is 0, y equals negative 13. So one intercept is 0, negative 13. My slope is 3. So I can draw my line and calculate from that. Or I can say, for my x-intercept, 0 equals 3x minus 13. Add 13 to each side. 13 equals 3x. X equals 13. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 13 divided by 3 whenever y equals 0. So my other intercept is 0, 13 over 3, which is about the same as 4 1/3. 0, 4 1/3. So to graph this, I am going to graph, okay, this is my y-intercept, and I've made a really silly mistake. Oh wait, I see what I did. When y equals 0, x equals 13 over 3, so my x-intercept is 13 over 3, 0. That's better. So when y is 0, x is 13 over 3, which is about 4 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4 1/3. Now my slope is 3, so I can go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, and so negative 13 will be down here somewhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This won't be terribly accurate, but it's close enough. If I wanted better accuracy, I would do this on the big white graph paper. But I have to find the intercepts. One is 0, 13, negative 13, and the other is 13 over 3, 0. When I put this equation into slope-intercept form, my slope-intercept form is y equals 3x minus 13. Okay, moving on. This one is much nicer. F of x is 6x plus 4. My y-intercept is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When x is 0, y is 4. My slope is 6. Up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4, up 5, up 6, and over 1. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and negative 1. Yippee! Now what is my 0 of this function going to be precisely? My y-intercept is 0, 4. What is my 0 of this function? What is this? How do I calculate that? This is how I do that. I say my output has to be 0 for 6x plus 4. Now I subtract 4 from each side. Negative 4 is equal to 6x. Now I divide both sides by 6. That gives me x equals negative 4 over 6, and that's exactly the same as negative 2 over 3. So my other intercept is negative 2 over 3, 0. There we go.